Assalamu alaikum and good morning again. We are all in front of each other again, alhamdulillah, with all the good health and happiness. And this time we are in our numeracy class. And in our numeracy class, we are mostly playing with the shapes and the numbers, different kind of numbers. And there are in words, we did in words as well. We count and we write and we sing and we play. So today also we are going to count a little, right? So though we have to count, so we are going to watch a video, right? Okay, so let's watch the video first and then we are going to do the exercise, right? Okay, so I'm just going to share with you the counting video. We saw that before, but we are just going to quickly have a look at that. Where is my... So we are just, I'm going to share with you my, yeah, I find it. So let's start, just sing a little. So we are going to enjoy counting, okay? That's great.
Let's count. It's fun. Let's start with number one. Say it one. Say it one.
It's fun to do. Here is number two. Say it two. Say it two. Two.
There's a block. Number three. Say it three. Say it three.
Wait, there's more. Here is number four. Say it four. Four. Say it four. Four.
Alive. When you say the number five. Say it five. Say it five.
Five. Now don't play tricks. Say it six. Say it six. Six.
There's more to do. Seven's here for you. Say it seven.
Seven.
Say it seven.
Seven. Oh, you're doing great. Let's say the number eight. Say it eight. Eight. Say it eight. Eight.
Now you're feeling fine when you say the number nine. Say it nine.
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 Nine. Now let's count to 10. Let's start again. Say it 10. 10. Say it 10. 10. One, two, two, three, three, four, four, five, five, six, six, seven, seven, eight, eight, nine, 10.
That's great. That's great. So, yeah, see, we did a lot of singing, a lot of shaking. So now we are ready for our exercise as we did counting. So we are going to count. So for that, first of all, I'm going to show you something. There will be grouping. You'll be counting the things. So I am going to explain you what we're going to do here today. Is we're going to start with a little low. So I'm just going to show you this picture. Yeah, now if you have a look at this picture, I will just ask you to make the group of two things. Now there are something which are two in numbers. So you are going to look for them. For one and I think we should find the group of three. right? So we are going to find a group of 3 over here. So let's see how many 3 things you can see. An account of flowers. How many flowers do you see? Okay, there are 2 flowers. How many dogs? There's 1 dog. And how many snail? There's only 1 snail. How many boys? Okay, there's 1 boy. How many dragonflies do you see over here? 3. That's great. And how many watermelons do you see over here? Also 3. That is great. So we have made a group of 3, 3 dragonflies and 3 watermelons. Okay, so now we are going to have a look at the next picture. Right? Yes. Okay. Now have a look at this picture now. And here we are going to make a group of 4 things. Right? Group of 4. Now look at these little flowers. How many of them? Count. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Okay, that's great. How many big flowers are there? 1, 2, 3, 4. And how many butterflies do you see up here? 1, 2, 3. No, they're not 5. They are not 5 butterflies. Look at them carefully. Yes. Yes, there are 4 butterflies and there's a dragonfly. Yes. So we have found a group of 4 flowers here, small one, 4 sunflowers and 4 butterflies. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Yes, that's great. That is lovely. Okay. Now here we are going to count the things and we are going to say it in the spellings. Okay, now first of all we're going to have a look at this tree. Now it's an orange tree and we're going to count how many oranges are there. Now count 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Okay, now what is the spelling of 5? How do we say 5? Yes, F-I-V-E, 5. F-I-V-E, 5. That's great. Okay, now look at this second orange tree. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Oh, again, we have 5, right? How do you say 5? F-I-V-E, 5. Okay, now look at this. How many can we see over here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That's great. And over here, they're all in different shapes. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. That is great. That is great. Now, they all have 5, right? So how do we spell 5? F-I-V-E, 5. Now, we are just going to have a look at this picture. I'm just going to show you. And we are just going to see and count. Now, looking at this picture, first of all, you're going to find how many things which have nothing in it. How many 0 things do you see over here? How many flowers here? 1. How many flowers are here? 2. How many are this in this pot? No, so that means 0 flowers. That means 0 flower. Okay, now have a look at this. Are there any fish here? Yes. Are there any fish here? Yes. What about this? Oh, there's no fish. So what does that mean? 0. That's great. Okay, now have a look at this. Now, how many eggs are over here? Now they're cupcakes. How many cupcakes are in this box? 4. How many in this box? 2. And how many were here in this box? 0. There's no cupcake. That means 0. If you don't have anything, we're going to say it 0. Okay, so we are going to do another exercise in our book, and that will be you're going to take out Maths Wise book 2. Yes, please take out Maths Wise book 2. And we are going to take out page number 60. Yes. Please take out page number 60. Very good. Yes, lovely, lovely. Take out page number 60. So here also we're going to count first. There are like okay, are you all on page number 60? That's great. Now pencils in your hand. Right. So have a look at this. This is count how many birds are there and write them in the box, right? So just have a look at this picture carefully. Look at them and count them because they're less in number right now. So you can count them, okay? They can count them easily. Now, how many are there? 1, 2, and 3 only. So you're going to write here 3. Okay, that's easy. Yes, that is easy. And now they say that count how many flowers, right? There are and write them in the box. Now you're going to look at this carefully because there are some small flowers and there's some big flowers. So you have to look at them carefully. I'm also going to look at that and we're going to count the flowers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Wow, they're all 10. Now look at them. They're all small. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10 flowers. So you're going to write here 10. Okay? That's great. Okay, now you just flip the page. Wow, there are like a lot of pictures over here. There are so many. Now we're going to start with this. Count how many butterflies. Now start counting. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Yeah. Okay, so you only right here 10. That was easy, but the number is increasing. Yes. The number is increasing, and we're going to see now there will be a lot and a lot more things. Okay. Now we are going to count the flowers. Again, now you count together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, and 22. Wow, we have 22 flowers. There's so many. Okay, so we are going to write here 22. 2 and 2 makes 22. Yeah. Okay, did you do that? Okay, that's great. Yeah, that's easy. Now we have these feathers. Oh my God, there are a lot, many. There's so many feathers. Okay, now let's start counting all the feathers, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, and 30. Wow. 30, 30. Yes, we're going to write here 30. So many feathers. They're all 30, but they're small. They look less, but they're all together. They're 30. So right here, 30, 30 feathers. Okay. Oh my God, we have lots of apples over here. Very small, but there are a lot of apples. So we're going to count the apples. Okay. That's great. Okay, so let's start counting the apples. There must be more than 30, right? Yes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Not stopping. 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. Not even stopping. 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40. Not even stopping on 40. 41, 42, 43, and 44 apples. My goodness, there are 44 apples. Now you're going to write here 44. 4 and 4, 44. Yes, 4 and 4, 44. My God, there's too many apples. Okay, now we have got the fish. Now we're going to count the fish. How many fish are there? Yes, we're going to count them. Okay. Now let's start counting. My God, there are so many. There must be, I think, more than 44. What do you think? Will fish will be more than 44 or less than 44? I think there'll be more than 44. Okay, let's start counting. Come on, let's see and find out. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. Okay, so what should we do? Like we should count the first line first because they're all confusing. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, and oh, 50. Yay. There are 50 fish over here. 5 and 0, 50. Right? So you're going to write here 5 and 0, 50. Wow, so many fish over here. Okay, so that's great. So I hope you have enjoyed counting and making the groups of a couple of things. So this was our numeracy class today, and I'm going to say goodbye to you from this class now, and I'll see you in the next class. Till then, please stay safe, be happy, and be grateful for whatever you have. I'm going to see you soon. Till then, Allah Hafiz and bye-bye. Bye-bye.